Today we're going to look at this model that came out about a month ago called HunyuanVideo 1.5. And the best part is that we can install it without needing to configure anything. We are going to see this generation model that competes with LTX and other similar models. We'll generate different examples to see the generation times, how long it takes to load each of these models, and we also make a small comparison with other open source video generation models. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, as I mentioned in the introduction, today we are going to look at this HunyuanVideo model that can be installed with this application called WanGP. The great thing about this WanGP application is that we can install it with Pinocchio, which I also talked in several of my videos. It's the easiest way to install AI applications without depending on installing dependencies or even installing the models themselves. With this Pinocchio application and WanGP, it's ideal for running these artificial intelligence models. Here we have these different models. We have also 1.2.1, 1.2.2, which I also explained in another of my videos last time. And also we have this set image model, which is a super fast image generator. You can watch more about this set image model in this link. There is also a regular HunyuanVideo without the 1.5 version, but in this case we are going to use the WanGPvideo 1.5, which is the latest model. And this model can make videos up to 720p resolution. The good thing is that it's a relatively small model of 8 billion parameters, which makes the generations faster in theory. Here we can also see that these LoRAs can be applied with 8 steps, which also speed up the process. So let's upload this image from this thumbnail that I have uploaded before. We'll give a very simple prompt here. We're just gonna say a magazine cover floating and rotating, something like that. In this option, we can also improve the prompt based on the content in the text, or also we can improve it based on the image or both, based on the text and the image. Let's leave it based on the text and the image. For the resolution, as we see here, it has 720p, which is how the model comes natively. You can also do 1080p, but this will create an upscale that I don't think is very recommended. Let's leave it at 720p resolution to see how fast it is. In this case, we are not going to use any of these LoRAs, so we'll leave it as it is. Okay, and for the other specifications, we also leave it as they are without any modifications. And we click on Generate. When you use this model or any of the models here in WanGP, the first time it loads the model. In my case, I don't have the model installed yet, so that's the advantage of this Pinocchio software. And as we can see, Pinocchio does everything in the background. And here we can see that it's loading the model and is generating the video in the background. But still here in the terminal, it doesn't say how much it's gonna take. So we just wait. Okay, and finally here we have the result. After almost 1 hour, it took 55 minutes. So let's play it and see how good or bad is this first example. Okay, so as you can see, it's like a 3D animation of the magazine cover. It also made this kind of animation in the background, in the Google logo and also the ChatGPT logo. Okay, so the result is okay. It's not exceptional, but I think it's also based on the image we upload. Let's make another new video continuing with the same reference image, but in this case, we're gonna change using these 8 step LoRA, as we can see here in this on the screen. We're gonna leave it the same at 720 resolution, and obviously it's going to make it faster in theory, but I want to see how much affects the video by leaving it with these settings. We also leave it at 4 seconds, and we leave the rest as it is, and we click here on generate. We're going to make the same video, but in this case using this LoRA, the Lighting X2V, which I also use in another of my videos. Let's see how much it speeds up the process. And in our next example, as we can see, we did it without any LoRA and any compression, and it took almost 1 hour. Okay, and here we have the result. It took 17 minutes at 720p resolution using the LoRA Lighting X2V. I hadn't noticed before, but it's a text to video. In this case, we did image to video, but it worked. Okay, and also if we compare with the other example that I also did with this model LTX, it's more or less it took the same time. You can see this video here in this link. So it has similar times as the LTX model, which also has a generation of this type of video that in a relatively similar speed, 70 minutes. Now let's do the same, but using this distilled resolution or this distilled version, see on the top. So we can see here in this drop down that it has this 4080 resolution and also this 4080 distilled version, which means it's going to take less time in our generation. Let's use the same image from this thumbnail as the other two examples. And let's also make them the same prompt we used before with the lighting, and we will put the same thing, a magazine cover with thunder on top. And here we'll set it to improve the prompt based on the text and also based on the image. So we put it based on both. And in this case, let's do this test without any LoRa's to see how this model can generate this image. And we leave the same parameters. Here we automatically see that when selecting this model, the steps drop to 8. If you change the resolution here, the steps automatically drop to 8 using this 48 distilled version. So it does it automatically every time we change the different model, as we can see here. And in this generation is going to be, in theory, similar to the previous result. In this case, since we have this distilled model, we won't get any LoRA or video acceleration options, as we can see here. So let's leave it with this distilled version with 480p resolution, and we click on generate. Let's see how long it takes generating this video and also the video quality. At the same time, we can see here the original results without the LoRa's, so our first example, and without the compression of the LoRa's. And this is the result with the compression, as we see here. The quality is almost the same. Probably there is a little bit of change in the thunder, which it looks a bit more defined in the first one, as we can see here. But the result is very similar and in less than half of the time. Okay, and let's see how it goes with this 480 distilled configuration. Once I hit generate, I realize it's downloading the model, as we can see here. It's an 8.9 GB model, which is relatively small. Usually, one of these models weighs more than 16 GB. So that's something to keep in mind when you select this other model. Once you generate the first video, whether with 720p or 480 distilled, it requires another extra model. So keep that in mind when using these two models. Okay, it already downloaded the model that was 8 GB in size. But now that it's downloaded another extra model, which is 13 GB in size. It's taking quite a while to do this. Okay, let's see how long it takes. I'm just gonna put it in pause. All right, here we have the result. It took 1 hour and 5 minutes. The result is kind of funny because it made the people like clapping, applauding on the cover, and the resolution isn't that great. The faces can't be seen clearly. But let's keep in mind that the time that it took of 1 hour and 5 minutes also includes the time that download the model. The result isn't that good, but once this model is downloaded, now let's do another extra generation to see how long it really takes now. But anyway, here in the preview, it shows you that this generation took 3 minutes, which is very fast compared to the other previous result. The second video took us 70 minutes, but to keep in mind that this video was at 17, which is double the resolution. With this Distilled 480p model, the generation is cut to much less than a half compared to using the model at its full capacity. Okay, let's do another generation, but in this case, let's use this image of a man on a raft being attacked by jets in a background. Here we put in the prompt a person on a boat with a long beard while planes fly by and is being attacked in the background. Something like that. Okay, and let's remove all these other details that in this case are irrelevant because they are already in the image. Actually, I use this image in another of my videos where I talk about the new Clean 2.6 model with audio. You can also click here to see more. Okay, and here we change a little bit the parameters. So we change here the 4 seconds. We can just make it a little bit longer to see the result well. So let's leave it at 6 seconds. Let's click here on generate to see how it goes with these other specifications, as we can see here. So because we extend the length of the video, it says that it's going to do 2 windows. So I guess each of the windows is going to be 3 seconds. I'm not quite sure. Sometimes what these models do is you can notice the cut between each window. So sometimes you can see that. Okay, let's see how this model may sort that part. Okay, and here we have the result. It took 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Let's play it. The result is good, but we can see that the movement of the background is a bit strange. It's not very realistic. It has the static wave background and it doesn't have coherence with the movement of the missiles and the jets. So it looks a bit weird. So in this case, the result obviously is not the best comparing with other models. The only advantage I see from this model is that it's super fast. It only took 4 minutes. If we compare the result with this LTX model that I also showed in my previous video, this model, Hunyuan 1.5, it's faster than LTX. That's the only thing, but in terms of quality, I think LTX has more quality than this one. And I also have another video where I talk about 2.2 using LoRa's, which also I think has more quality than this HunyuanVideo. You can also watch this other video here in this link. So we can see that the results are relatively similar, but I think that this model, HunyuanVideo, is not superior than LTX or 2.2 in terms of quality. But in terms of how fast the generation takes, this model, I think, is much faster. Okay, let's do our last example using this image of me jumping with a parachute. So we'll put in the prompt something simple like a guy jumping from a plane. And then we just click on generate. Okay, we have here the result. The result is a bit funny because it shows that I'm jumping on the plane, but I'm not jumping from the plane. So it's just jumping me on top of the plane. I think we weren't very specific that I should jump from the plane upward. not that I'm jumping inside the plane. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, activate the bells to receive notifications on my new videos. And also, if you have any questions or have any suggestions for videos you want me to talk about on my channel, or if you need any help with any creative project or related to content generation using AI, I will leave my contact details here in the description below. And also in the description you can also find discounts if you need like a platform to generate videos or audio using AI, or even web hosting. I just leave all the details at the description of this video. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video where I show how to animate infographics using artificial intelligence. Click here to see more. See you guys next time. Bye bye.